Welcome back to our channel for another geospatial fun fact video as we explore what is SNAP software, who founded the software and what is the use and impact of the software within the geospatial industry. SNAP, which stands for Sentinel Application Platform, is a free open-source software architectural Sentinel toolbox platform developed by Brockman Consult in collaboration with the European Space Agency or ESA for Earth observation processing and analysis. It was launched in 2015 as part of ESA's Copernicus program, the Europe's flagship Earth observation initiative. So what exactly does SNAP do? It processes optical, radar, and multispectral satellite data. It supports major Earth observation missions, including Sentinel-1, Sentinel-2, and Sentinel-3. It enables advanced image analysis, atmospheric corrections, and water/vegetation monitoring. It integrates with QGIS and other geospatial software, making it a must-have tool for GIS professionals. SNAP has had a global impact since its release. It empowers scientists, environmentalists, and students worldwide. It plays a key role in climate change research, agriculture monitoring, and disaster response. It supports governments, NGOs, and space agencies in their Earth observation projects. And best of all, it's free and open source, making cutting-edge satellite analysis accessible to everyone. What's next for SNAP? ESA is continuously updating and improving the software to support upcoming Sentinel missions. Anticipating the release of SNAP software version 12. There are plans to enhance AI and cloud processing integration for faster and more efficient data analysis. ESA encourages developers to contribute to SNAP, ensuring it remains one of the best open-source tools for remote sensing. If you're passionate about satellite data and remote sensing, download SNAP today and explore the world from space, for free. Check out the links in the description for more information and start your Earth observation journey now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing geospatial weekly fun facts.